What is an API? We take it for granted, but it's kind of amazing that I can make sounds with my mouth. Those sounds travel through the air, and if you're close enough into your ear, and if we speak the same language, your brain turns those sounds into meaning. It's happening right now. We are creating a connection between each other. The same thing happens with computers and software when they talk to each other. You may come across the term API, or Application Programming Interface, and wonder, what's that? It's really about systems communicating with each other. My body is a system, and so is yours. Our mouths and our ears are our APIs that we use to interact with the world. And they're not the same. Our mouth is the API for talking and eating. Our ears are the API for hearing. Our nose is the API for smelling. We have all these wonderful ways to communicate and interact with the world around us. Our human APIs. It's much the same way with software or apps. Facebook has APIs for writing posts or searching. They allow other companies to interact with Facebook. The QuickBooks API gives ways to keep it in sync with a purchasing system, for example. Most of the time, there's massive benefit in having a way for one app to interact with another app. Sometimes companies are even born based on someone else's API, like Loop, which reaches into Facebook, pulls down your photos, and automatically creates collages. They wouldn't exist without the Facebook API. And if Facebook didn't have an API, they would be less useful and less used. Without our human APIs, we might just be lonely blobs on a rock. But there's one more thing that makes APIs special. And this speaks to the question of, okay, I get it, but why should I care again? With APIs, you can automatically program something to happen in one system based on activity in another system. Imagine that you wake up in the morning, let out a yodel, yodel-a, hee-hoo, and that automatically triggers your coffee to brew, your bed to make itself. I mean, that's powerful. It's productive and outwardly simple. Whether you're searching for flights across many airlines or posting something from Pinterest to Facebook, or you're pleasantly surprised when one business system reflects updates from another. It's all APIs in action.